This channel is not made for kids. None of the videos on this channel are made for kids. This is for adults, adult collectors, hobbyists, and enthusiasts. I like kids. Kids are great. This channel is not made for them. Adult supervision is encouraged. Thank you very much.
Well, hey there, and how are you today? My name is Carla. I'm an adult doll collector, and you're in my hangout. Today, I'm in my mini brand's fashion wardrobe that I did a makeover on a few videos back. Today, I want to make over a few more doubles, but I decided to turn the things that I have triples of and things and change them up a bit. Combat boots. Have a bunch of these purses. I call them duck boots, I don't know why. And other boots, and as you could see, there is a variety. And especially these, I kind of want to turn these into beach totes, because I like how they have the sandals that go with them. And I think it'd be neat if there was a variety of these in kind of beachy colors, sort of. I don't know, I'm going to see what I can do. And with spring coming up, I'm kind of wanting some spring and summer colors, so if some of them go a bit light, forgive me, I just can't help it. I love spring. I'm just like that. So anyway, if you want to follow along, these are going to be very quick little tutorials because you all know how to paint things. And this time I'm going to be using paint instead of the paint pens, because as much as I really love the paint pens, you can get a bigger variety, though, with the other paint. I think we should get to it. Be right back.
You're the reason why left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Alright, well this is the end of this video, and I hope you had fun with it. I definitely had fun making some new looks for things I have plenty of. Now, if you like this video, please hit like. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much for being a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, well, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit subscribe. It's right down here. It's on this side. It's red. It says subscribing. You just have to, boop. Just, there we go. And now you're a subscriber. Definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think. Did you have any favorites? Did I get a little too creative with something? I know there's some things I like better than others, so but they seem better in my head, but I don't know. But anyway, they're all enjoyable to do, and my dolls now have a few more choices, which is always wonderful. So anyway, and sharing is caring. If you know anyone who has doubles or multiples of mini brand things, go ahead and pass this along to them. Maybe they might get some kind of an idea themselves on making some new things for themselves. And like I said, if you comment down below, I will take the time to answer. And I think that's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys stopping by and giving me some of your day, and no matter what time of day it is, whether it's morning, noon, or night, I do hope it is fantastic because you deserve fantastic things. And I'm going to let you go, so I'm out of here, and goodbye!